So today we are releasing support for plugins, MCP and skills. So now you can use ToughTongue AI inside your Claude Code, Codex and your favorite coding agent. Let me show you how this works. So let me start with a simple demo. I'll paste a text here. So this is a transcript of my previous meeting, and I'm asking Claude to create a ToughTongue AI scenario for me to practice the objections that were raised. So it rightly figured out that it has to use ToughTongue AI scenario creator skill, and it's asking me to proceed ahead. It also figured out that it has to be a sales role play, and now it will take its own time to figure out like how to call the API and will ask me for certain information along the way. So we'll come back to this example at the end. So as that process is going on, let me walk you through the steps to get started. So I'll go to the docs here, and here we have clearly highlighted the multiple ways in which you can use. The simplest was the skills that you can download with a simple npx command, or you can use our MCP server, which provides the action how you can act using our APIs, but MCP's commands in a way that you can get a work done. This is what we recommend for you. So in order to get started, you first have to set a TTI path token that will then be used by all of these Claude codecs. And starting here, let's say if you are using Claude Code, then you just have to do plugin marketplace add command, which just adds the plugin from our repository here. Similarly, you can, for Codex, this simple command will work. For cursor, you can either just click the link that we have provided here, or there is an installation command as well. Now all of this will do is install the MCP and also the 3 skills that we have created for you. So the 3 skills are one scenario creator skills, which has all the best practices of creating different kind of scenarios, including role play, phone calling and other. There is a scenario refiner skill, which helps you improve the scenario based on where it's currently not doing a great job. And then if you're managing a team or want to see which are the areas of improvement, are the scores happening across your team, you can use the session-analyst skills. And there is one more skill which helps you get started as soon as you install the plugin. This might be the one that you want to use. The MCP server provides you all the relevant APIs and actions. So for example, all things related to scenarios, related to sessions, or analytics, doing a phone call, putting something in the meet, and that can enable a lot of interesting use cases. Now, as we are looking into this, let's go back to the terminal. So the scenario here is asking that if I want to proceed ahead. So it gave me the practice link here, and it also gave me the embed link. Let me go to the practice link here. So it has created the scenario for me to get started. Hello. And I could start practicing here. So this is just a glimpse of what's possible. For example, you can mix Salesforce skill and RS skill to prepare for the next meeting, which is logged in your CRM. You can use Gong's skill and RS skill to figure out, like in the past 5 sales meeting, what had not gone well and practice accordingly. Similarly, you can pull data from Facebook skill, that what are the phone numbers that you need to run a campaign on, and use our phone calling feature to just call these numbers, all from Claude Code Codex. So I'm really excited to see what you make use of it. Let us know your thoughts and comments. Thank you so much.